The story of this movie revolves around an introverted girl named Dia and how her love life unfolds in the most unexpected way possible. To be honest, revealing anything about the movie's plot can be a spoiler. All I can say is that it's a beautiful movie, probably one of the best love stories that I've seen in the recent times. The beauty of the movie lies in its simplicity. There are no unnecessary elements, subplots, or songs, and this definitely helps and contributes to the pace of the movie. It's a new age cinema and is meant for those who can appreciate non commercial cinema too. Life is full of surprises. That's the theme of this movie, and it aptly justifies Dia's journey. This is director K. Asuka's second project, and it deserves a pat on his back for narrating this simple yet complex story in a very contemporary way. Because you rarely see a movie which has two love stories and both are equally great. The movie may not have songs, but B. Ajani Loknath's fantastic background score never lets us feel that void. Camera work by Vishal Vittal and Saurav Wagmare is also praiseworthy. The movie centers around a few characters only, and each of them is well fleshed out and believable. What amazed me is that the innocence of each character has been effectively captured and presented in the movie. Credit goes to K. Asuka again because he is also the writer of this movie. The characters are not loud and instantly so relatable that you cannot help but be emotionally invested in them, and you find yourself rooting for them as the story progresses. I want to convey a big thank you to the person who chose Kusi Ravi for the lead role. Kusi is seamlessly natural and absolutely convincing as Dia. She has captured the essence of a simple introverted girl flawlessly. Being the protagonist, she gets the maximum screen time. And it won't be an understatement if I say that she did surpass her director's expectations, excelling in all her scenes, be it as the Cupid struck college student who time and again keeps landing herself into awkward situations, or as the young lady who gets a new lease of life when she discovers love, or as the confused girl who is torn between her heart and mind. Prithvi Ambar, who plays Adi, manages to strike a chord the moment he is introduced to us. Some of the best lines of the movie belong to him. Also, the scenes between Adi and his mother are some of the most heartwarming moments in the movie. Seasoned actress Pavitra Lokesh delivers an elegant performance as Lucky, Adi's mother. Dixit Sethi as Rohit also gives an earnest performance. The character of Rohit could have been etched better. It would have helped the viewers to understand the psyche behind his decisions in the movie. Also, it felt like a rushed climax. Nonetheless, it was a good watch, and I would definitely recommend it to you if you are a sucker for love stories or just enjoy a good drama of human emotions.